of you. Pardon the way that I said that nothing else to compare. Yes, I love you, listen me. Say there are no words that you speak. So if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to do. Can't take my eyes off of you. Okay, come on, here we go.
네, 지금까지 가수 그렉이었습니다. 다시 한번 큰 박수.